My name is Brian Rees. I'm a farmer from mid Wales, just north of Llyndrand Wells. I'm involved as a health and safety mentor for Farming Connect and also involved with the Wales Farm Safety Partnership. What we want to put over to you today is the safety of machinery in preparation for harvest. We want to look at the suitability of the machines for the job, the maintenance and the daily checks, the site that we're working on, and also the competence of the operators doing the job. Now we come to the basic daily checks of the machine that we're using. The first thing is the engine oil, which is there. Next we have the hydraulic oil, which is in there on the sight glass. It's really important that this level is kept up to the top mark, for the simple reason that so many things on the tractor depends on oil pressure to operate safely. Then we have the coolant level. That's so important that the machine stays at the correct temperature. Right, tire pressures is the next thing we need to keep in order. This one now is at 25, fairly high pressure in there, heavy trailer on the back. This can vary to the job you're doing and the load you're carrying. Right, once you're in the cab of the tractor, you need to do an all-round check then. You've got good observation on your mirrors and your windows. Right, when you hitch up to your machines, in this case a trailer, always make sure that the pickup hitch is fully engaged. Secondly, all the pipes are connected properly, particularly the brake pipe is fully connected in there to have the effective brakes on the trailer.
Right, with those brakes, make sure they're connected properly, make sure they're functioning, and lastly, make sure they actually work properly before they leave the yard.
Now, PTOs are a big part of farm mechanization. They don't like being abused, they don't like being left unlubricated, and they don't like being asked to turn too much while they're running. So with your PTOs, make sure they're fully guarded, make sure they're the right length for the machine and the tractor you're putting them on, and make sure the joints in there are lubricated properly and everything is held together with the check chains to make sure that the shaft is used properly. Tire pressures on slopes are so important. For the purpose of the exercise here, we've dropped the pressure of the lower tire here down to 17. And as you can see, it's bulging quite broadly on the top side of the tire. In extreme cases, it has been known for tires to be pushed off the rim, allowing the tractor to tip over. Now we've pumped this back up to 25 and you can see the difference. Now then, slopes unfortunately are the cause of many accidents on farms, so always know your land. If you're working on fields like this one we've got here, which is a bit awkward, make sure you understand where you can go and where you can't. This also applies to other hazards in the field. It could be where there's power lines coming across, it could be entrances in off the highway, it could be footpaths coming across. It's important that you are knowledgeable about all these hazards, and particularly if you are employing contractors, they need to be briefed on all these hazards as well. I hope this video has helped you with a few points. 3 key things. Make sure you read the operator's manual, make sure your machines and equipment are suitable for the task, and always know your land.